Lutans can't fight no more. No, cause we no in a them thing though. Get up, brush off and start anew. The pain and struggle will done. Don't be a loser, no listen where the critic them told you. Chat them not get no response. Left them confused and you don't let them test your faith. Me see many are call but a few get a break. And then I up today, tomorrow Sadina place. You should arise and celebrate. Never give up and